And here's a quick update on the two tropical storms out there at the moment in the Western Pacific. We currently have Typhoon Usagi, which is located near Taiwan, and Tropical Storm Pabuk, which has formed near the Mariana Islands right now, heading towards some of the Japanese offshore islands as it moves towards the north at this time. By the way, I'm not home at the moment, so I'm doing a bit of a mobile update at this time. But you can see the current visible imagery in the Pacific right now. You can see those two storms there fairly clearly in the past few hours. That's the visible imagery there. Usagi on the left-hand side, Pabuk on the right. Let's take a look now at the infrared imagery as well. You can see quite a well-defined eye still, at least in the past few frames for Usagi. It's passed very close to the southern coast of Taiwan. That's sort of becoming less clear, that eye there now, as the storm begins to weaken slightly. But we also have the new storm Pabuk moving towards the northwest at this time, towards the Japanese islands. We could be seeing some inclement conditions occurring there as the storm develops, possibly into a typhoon later on. The other imagery as well, the water vapour imagery, you can see some dry air around both of those storms, but they appear to be at least a bit too far away to cause any major impediments over the next day or so. So this is the track forecast. You can see for Pabuk, first of all, you can see where it's currently located. Expected to move towards the northwest, passing very close to Iwajima in Japan, moving towards the northwest, possibly becoming a typhoon. Category 1, probably not anything more than that, but moving towards the north. Shouldn't really be a threat to mainland Japan, but it could cause some high waves along the shorelines. And this is the current storm Usagi as well, which is still a very strong storm right now, with winds of 140 miles an hour and a pressure of 933 millibars. And storms moving towards the west-northwest. It remains a threat for China and indeed Hong Kong as well, and Macau right now, possibly striking that area as a Category 1 typhoon, or maybe even stronger than that at this time, in 2 or 3 days' time. And then moving inland over China, eventually dissipating just north of Hainan.